Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial. We'll continue from the left out. We have solo authenticated the user login and everything is working as expected. So in this video, we are going to implement sending the notification to the user email and also redirecting the user to the home page. So let's get started. So let's uncomment this session. Now we're going to send email to the user and pass the OTP to the email. So what we're going to do now, let me just make this video short. So let me just grab this. So this is the email functionality we are implementing here. So the subject is going to be, let's say, your login verification, your login verification code, right? With the subject, then 2. It's going to be the user that log in. So we'll grab that from this place. That the user that log in, the user email that log in. So and right here. So here is the verification code that you are sending to the user email, and this is the subject, and this is the message body, and this is where we send the email. So sending email via PHP has different ways of sending it. You can either use a library to send email. For example, you can use PHP mail sender functionality. Just download and add it to your project and then configure it to send email. But in this tutorial, I'm just making it simple. Okay, then so you're able to understand the logic that we are building. Okay, so we have done that right here, and what we are going to do next is to go to the after this is done, what we are going to do, we have to remove this from this place. Break it downward. Just after the email I've sent, then I will do the condition here to check if the email was successful or not. Depends how you want to do it, but I'm just go add it right here. If the email was actually sent, then before you can redirect the user to this page. So if the email was not sent, to not redirect. Better still, you can leave it the way it was initially. So yeah, if everything is okay right here, what we are going to do now is to redirect the user, so we don't need to display this success message anymore. I'm going to comment that, and I'm going to say redirect to home. I'm going to direct user to home. So when I'm redirecting the user to home, I'm going to create some variable right here, session variable. Let me just grab it from this place. And just give this a name. FA authorize. So it's group equals to now create a variable in here where it is. Okay, you have to be on top code. Let's take it up a bit. I just put it right here. Initial variable. Then we'll come here. If everything right here is success and it's good to go, and we'll just put this here. I can say true. This is string, I just put it as a string. Okay, so next thing you are going to do, go to the home page. I also do some code inside to check if it is actually logged or not. That's what it did here. So I'm going to grab this also. Yeah. So in this case, we are not checking on this anymore. So what we are checking on is this. So this is what we are now passing from this place to this next page. We are going to check on this. So if this is not set or is empty, we'll also direct the user back. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. We don't need this in this space. All right. Yeah. So, but if it's set and there's value on it, what I'm going to do here is to say just say hi. You display the person's ID, which is the email ID. So let's check the user email ID because you pass it either here, I will pass it here. Or you are saying the session from the beginning, so I'm going to just grab it and put it here. So this is what we are displaying in this page. So we're going to say account authenticated. You'll say hi. The user ID, it might be the user name or the user full name or the user phone number, depends what you want to do. But in this case, we are displaying the user ID, which is the email ID. So go say hi, the email ID, you have successfully logged into your account. Okay, just as we saw in our earlier example, which is a whole ginger. When I enter the OTP sent to my email account, then now display my home page. So exactly the same thing you have to do right here. When the user enter the OTP sent to the email, then it will now redirect the user to the home page. Okay. So if you are not watched the previous video of this tutorial, please check out the previous video where we started from, so you're able to understand what we are doing. So what we are doing, we are creating a custom 2FA authentication. In this tutorial, how to add it to your application. So I'm showing this step-by-step way of doing it, and there are different ways it can actually be done. But in this tutorial, I'm showing you the custom way of adding it to your application in a simple manner. So it's going to depend upon your logic anyway, the logic of the program. Okay, now tell me how you implement it. But what we are doing is to show you how to implement it. All right. So don't forget to watch the previous video to know where we start from and all that. So this is where we started from this tutorial, how to send the email. So here we have called get the user email. So this is the receiver. We added the subject, which is user login permission code. Then this email body. The email body we are simply displaying authentication code is we now attach the authentication code in the email body. The sender is what I added here from ZTech Academy, tutorial. So let's just add it, or you can simply leave this way, ZTech Academy. So you are going to replace this with your own company name, your website name. Okay, then replace this with your own website domain name, then with your own email account that you have there in your website. So that's how you to implement yours. Then the next step, you are checking if the email was sent successfully. So if the email was sent successfully, you go redirect user to the authentication page, where the user have to enter the authentication code that the user received on the email. So if it is not sent, you can catch your notification and display it to the user. For example, you can do the same thing here. Just say something like email not sent or error send the email. You can just say error send the email. You can say error send the email. Error send the email. Please try again later. So maybe danger or success this time. Yeah, that's it, bro. Yeah, that's it, guys. So this is how you implement custom 2FA authentication in your application. The next step now is we are going to test it on the live server to see how it functions and to know if we actually get the email or not. Okay, so let's go and check it in live server and see how it works. Okay, guys, I've deployed the project into the server, and we are going to test it in the live server because we have added email functionality, so we want to see if we receive the email or not. So let me go and grab the ID, the email ID. This email ID we use. You can see I'm still coming to the code base, so you understand everything is the same. As I get this code, I just put it on my server so we can test it to ensure that everything works as the same. Okay, please, if you have any question or you face difficulties implementing it, drop a comment below, then we're going to help you sort it out. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, please can you subscribe, share the video with your friends and loved ones, and click the notification bell below so anytime we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so let's go. I put the email ID and will enter my password, which is 1345. 125 is the password that we used earlier before. Let me show you again in case you forgot. Got the password here, is still here, and this is the email that I just copied right now. I'm going to use. So every code is still the same. You can see the code here. This is the authentication page. Okay. So if the user enter the right code, then we are going to direct the user to the home page. Then the home page, see the home page, simply very simple. So check if it's authorized. If it's not authorized, send it back. If it's authorized, you will display the user email ID. So let's go. So now we'll click sign in. Right. So now I say enter the code you need. Code sent to your email address. Okay. So I go and check my email if this code actually came or not. Let me go to my email and check. Let me see. The code came. Look at it. Just see it right away. You can see the time. Just came right away. So we'll click it. You can see authentication code is just the same thing we wrote on our code. Let me show you. Yeah, let me show the code base right here. Where is it? Look at it. Authentication code is, they now show us the code. You can see there. See it. Authentication code is, this is the code that we receive my email. So now I'm going to grab it from my email. Then I'm going to go back to the interface and put it. So now if I should enter wrong one, let's enter a wrong code and see what happens. I click verify. It say invalid code enter. Please try again. You see it. So now let's enter the right one. This is the right one we got from our email, right? Yes, this is the right one. So now I click verify. See, voila, good. So you see account authenticated. You see, hi, Perry at gmail.com. You have successfully logged into your account. Great. So guys, you see, every step is working as expected. This is exactly what Otinja did that I show you as an example what you are going to implement, and this is what we saw here working. So guys, this is it, and don't forget to like our video and don't forget to share it. I believe you like this tutorial. If you like, please give it a thumb up. Then in our next video, I'm going to show you how to do a logout and other functionality. For example, when user log in, you can see the user name right here on the top, or see the user photo card on the top, and so many other things I'm going to show you in the next video. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends and loved ones. See you in the next video.